Hey, welcome back to Campus Tech. If you want to extend your battery life and you want to save your phone life, so just try this method and it will help you. So just simple, go into the setting. You can drag down and go into the settings, go all the way down, up, you will see the device and care. So just go into that particular tab. So there is the option. If your phone is not optimized, it will say you need to optimize. Right now my phone is in great condition because I did optimize recently. So but you can do in the go a little down, you can do these settings right there. So just auto optimization, go in this tab, you'll see the 113 days ago I did auto optimization, but I didn't after that because it just turned off. You can turn it on if you want. So by simple go into the auto restart. So when you go this one, so the restart when needed, whenever your phone is overloaded, it will restart itself, but that's not recommended because sometimes if you're doing some important work and it's restart itself. So it's better to try the other method, the second one, which is a restart schedule. So just turn it on and you can select the date and time and when it's just restart, because there's lots of application which is running on the background and everything. When you go this auto optimization thing, it will close all application, and when you restart your phone, it will clean all cache file which is running behind, and your phone will work smooth and faster. If you like that video, please thumbs up and see you in the next video.